Hello, this is Stacy, your True Grit online coatings professional. Today, we'll explore the differences between traditional DIY epoxy systems versus high-performance Nano X polyaspartic systems. In this video, we'll clear up misconceptions and draw from our 5 decades of experience to guide you in selecting the right high-performance flooring solution. Let's dive in. To kick off this brief informational video, we'll dive into 4 key topics that'll pique your interest as you conduct your research. These topics shed light on the essential elements of achieving a top-notch application. 1. Solids percentage *. First and foremost, grasp the concept of solids percentage or solids content within the product. Many DIY applications skimp on solids to cut costs, resorting to water and low-quality solvents. This not only slows down the application process but also hampers curing. Water evaporates much more slowly than solvents like acetone or xylene. When the coating system is composed of 50 to 60% solvent or water, it results in a significantly lower solids percentage, causing the floor to shrink by 50 to 60% after curing, yielding a thinner film. The second, and arguably most critical, aspect is dry film thickness, DFT, in mils. For high-performance coating systems to last 15 years or more, they should ideally range from 20 to 30 mils thick. Mil thickness, combined with solids content, lays the groundwork for a robust high-performance solution. In contrast, the majority of DIY systems typically have a total DFT of about 4 mils, which lacks substantial thickness. A sheet of paper from Staples or Office Depot is around 4 mils thick, so that can give you a visual representation. Our product, on the other hand, achieves 8 to 12 mils of dry film thickness in just one coat, a remarkable 300% increase in thickness and significantly quicker application. Preparation process *. Regardless of how well the first 2 aspects are addressed, a correct prep process is paramount. Common methods like acid etching and pressure washing are often ineffective, as acid etching can soften the flooring surface and necessitate resin reinforcement. Instead, we focus on mechanical abrasion, employing high-quality, specialized machinery with precision-designed diamonds for various concrete types, ensuring a proper mechanical preparation process. Thermal resistance. A well-designed coating's resilience is best gauged by its ability to withstand heat and thermal cycling. Quality resins can endure temperatures up to 500 to 600 degrees. In contrast, typical acrylic-based paints and coatings, while flexible, lack the necessary thermal resistance. The vast majority of do-it-yourself systems contain 40 to 65% acrylic-based resins in their epoxy do-it-yourself systems. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this short informational video about 4 specific topics that really aren't talked about with clients. These 4 aspects of choosing a coating system for your project will help you weed out all of the less knowledgeable low-quality companies. The way we look at everything is, it doesn't matter what the price is, you should always do it the best it can be done with the best professionals that you can find. Thank you for sharing this time with us today, and we look forward to assisting you in the future. So forget to take additional time to look through our website at truegritgarageflooring.com.